Hello guys, in this video we'll look at tuples in Python. I'm not sure if I mentioned when we were talking about lists, is that lists basically sequences, the sequence of objects. Objects can be integers, strings, floating point, double values, or another list or any other data type. So basically they're just sequences, and one of the sequence is tuple. Basically the difference between tuples and lists is that tuples are lists, but they cannot be changed. They're immutable objects. They're very easy to work with. They're easy to declare. So lists, when we started declaring lists, surrounded them with square brackets. Tuples often don't need anything, but tuples often do not need any enclosing brackets. If you just have a comma separated values, they're treated as tuples, but you often have to include them in parentheses when they're part of a larger expression. The general convention is to have parentheses surrounding them, like I did here, but you don't have to have them. I could just remove the parentheses and it'll work the same way. So here I'm creating a tuple 1 or sequence of comma separated values. Tuple 2 has a couple of names and an integer. I'm printing both tuples, and tuples have similar functions like lists. I'm just using index and count here, but there's other similar functions that are part of the tuple toolset. So what comes up is, let's just have a quick run. It's returning tuple as 1, so you can see that there's brackets around them, and I don't have brackets here or parentheses here, but they're included because that's the general convention. Tuple 2, and then it's returning the index of number 4, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, so that's what should come up here. And it's returning count of neo. Basically it's counting the number of instances of the string neo in tuple 2, which is 1. So that's a flyby view of what tuples are and what you could do with them. When you do not want anything changed in a list, you create them as a tuple. That's the bottom line, and that's what you should remember.
To start a conversation, leave a comment to this video. Hit the bell icon if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a video. Don't be a miser, share it with others.